Good morning everyone. Rise and shine. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. I am your Acha ma'am from New Era Global School. So today's session we start with shlok. Yes, today's session we start with shlok. Join your hands. Close your eyes. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you feel fresh. Okay, so the sun rises in the sky. Okay, so let's do one interesting activity. So let's go. Kids, today's activity is based on which picture is this? Star in the sky. Yes. So take out page number 9 and color the star and paste the beads on its boundaries. तो हमें क्या करना है? स्टार में कलर करना है. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विथ ऑल बॉर्डर. वी ट्रेस ऑल बॉर्डर क्योंकि हमारी कलर बाहर ना जाए, राइट? Like this, star. Now color inside the star, scribbling like this in slipping line, then in slanting line, okay. Now our coloring is complete. So kids, now paste beads on it. आपको यहाँ पे beads paste करनी है और stone भी चलेंगे, right? So stone, we paste stone here. So take out one string and paste it one by one here, like this. Like this, and paste here, like this. Then take one string, okay, like this, then paste here again. Paste it here. Star, sun, so stone. They are coloring stone, right? You use golden type stone or another color also. Now our today's activity is done. Today we color the star and paste the beads or stone. Star, stone. Now our activity is done. So kids, yesterday what did we learn? We learned capital letter R. How to write capital letter R in worksheet, right? So today we learn R after So today I will introduce you a new letter S. And S says sunrise in the sky. And today's in today's activity we learn how to color in star and letter is this? S. Which letter S is this? Capital letter S. Capital letter S. Small letter S. S for strawberry. Yummy strawberry. Yes, S for strawberry. Strawberry is a fruit. S for scissor. S for spider. Insect spider. S for spider. S for sparrow. S for sparrow. Sparrow is bird. Very good, kids. S for star. Star in the sky. Star in the sky. S for star. Star in sky. S for sun. Sun in the sky. S for sky. S for sky. S for sheep. Sheep in the sea. S for sheep. Sheep in the sea. Sea यानी समुद्र, right? Sheep यानी हम sheep पे क्या करते हैं? Traveling करते हैं, right? S for sheep. Sheep in the sea. Sheep is a which transport? Water transport. Now S for swing. Swing. Swing यानी झूला. आप लोगों ने गार्डन में ऐसे झूले देखे? Right? S for snake. Snake. S for snake. Snake. S for soap. We hand wash with soap. Soap. S for skirt. Skirt. S for shirt. Shirt. S for spoon. Spoon. S for snail. Snail. Snail is an insect, right? So today we learn how to write small letter S, and here I will show you some picture who's related with letter S. And what is the phonic sound of S? What is the phonic sound of S? So how we write letter S? Between two, today we learn how to write small letter S. So we learn how to write small letter S, right? So first, between two blue lines we make a curve. Which curve is this? Right side curve. Then left side curve. Right side curve. Left side curve. S says. S says. So are you ready for today's class work? Yes? So come with me. Today's class work is in English worksheet. Yes. Today we write small letter S in our English worksheet, and our today's homework is in English textbook, right? Because S is easy letter, right? So now Sunny is a school boy. Who is Sunny? Sunny is a school boy. He take a bath with soap. सोप में यानी मैंने आपको बताया था, राइट? सोप यानी साबुन जिससे हम नहाते हैं. He wears shoes and socks. He wear वो क्या पहनता है? Shoes and socks. He like to watch sun. उसको sun देखना पसंद है. And star in the sky. Sunny is a school boy. Sunny कैसा बॉय था? स्कूल बॉय था. He takes a bath with a soap. वो साबुन से नहाता था. He wears shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. He liked to watch the sun. उसे क्या पसंद था देखना? Sun, right? And a star in the sky. Now paste yellow paper on the saw and on the sun. On the sun, paste yellow sticker on the sun and color its rays. So हमें क्या करना है? पहले yellow, we make a circle like this and paste circle on the sun and color it rays. उसकी रेस में हमें क्या करना है, कलर, लाइक दिस. S for sun, R for race. Sun, we color the sun like this. S for sun. So our today's activity is done. Now boardwork time. Trace. First we trace the letter S. So how we trace the letter S? Right. Now make a right side curve, then left side curve. S says, S for sun. Now circle the letter S in the picture given below. Which picture is this? Socks, star, so. Right. So socks. Circle the letter S in the picture. Right. Then star. Circle the ears. S for star. Now so circle the letter S like this. So now our first page classwork is done. Now trace and write the letter S. In two lines we trace the letter S. Which letter S is this? Small letter S. And then we write the letter S. So how we trace the letter S? Curve. Which curve is this? Right side curve, left side curve. S says, S for sun. S says, right side curve, left side curve. हमें क्या करना है? Only curve करना है between two blue lines. Right? Curve, left side curve, right side curve, left side curve. We make the letter S. S says S for sun. S says S for shoes. S says right side curve, left side curve. Right? Now we write the letter S. How we write the letter S? Between two blue lines to make a small curve. Which curve? Right side curve. Then left side curve. S for sun. Sun curve. Another curve. Right side curve. Left side curve. Right side curve. Left side curve. S for sun. Sun curve. Which curve is this? Right side curve, left side curve. Listen children, between two blue lines make a small letter S. So first write C. Yes, C means right side curve. Then make left side curve. हमें यहाँ से हैंड नहीं उठाना है और हमें क्या करना है? लेफ्ट साइड कर्व करना है. S for sun, sun. S for sun, sun. Right side curve, then left side curve. So our today's classwork is in English worksheet is done. Now homework time. Now our today's classwork is in English worksheet. Write page number 35 here. Write CW here. And also write CW here because 2 pages in classwork, right? So first is activity page and then we write the letter S. Full page is your classwork. Now take out English textbook everyone. Yes, take out page number 20. So write CW here. Circle the object whose name begin with S sound. What is the phonic sound of S? Right? So teapot? No. Spoon? Yes. So circle the letter S. So sorry, this one is in your homework. ये आपका क्या है आज का homework. Then paste the sticker here. Which sticker? Small letter S. So take out small letter S, everyone. Like this. And paste the sticker here. Okay. First page homework is done. Our first page homework what is? Circle the object whose name begin with sound, right? Then the beast cannot eat with a spoon. Beast spoon से नहीं खा सकता था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके हैंड बहुत बड़े थे, right? आपने beast की स्टोरी सुनी है? Okay, now trace and write the letter S. So write HW here and date. So today's classwork is in English worksheet and today's homework is in English textbook. How we write the letter S? Right side curve, left side curve. Right side curve, left side curve. S for sun, sun. S for soil, soil. So our today's classwork and homework is done. Let's quick recall. S for sparrow, S for spider, S for star, S for sun and sun in the sky, right? S for sheep, S for swing, S for soap, S for snake, S for skirt, skirt, S for shirt, shirt, S for strawberry, strawberry, S for spoon, spoon, S for snail. So our today's classwork and homework is done. Let's today's classwork and homework. Classwork page number 35 and 36 in worksheet and homework page number 20 and 21 in textbook. So hope you like our today's classwork and homework. Enjoy your awesome day. Bye everyone.